Hello, dear students. Hope you all are well and you enjoyed your holidays in lockdown. So, from today, we are going to start our studies. I'm your computer teacher. So, before holidays, we were just discussing our chapter Internet. Just revising the previous work, I'm giving you the introduction of Internet. Nowadays, internet plays an important role. We all are using internet daily. Even we are connecting with you in online classes through internet only. It's such a huge network for several different interlinked networks related to the business, government, academics, and even smaller domestic networks which provide information. Okay, it's a huge network, means it's a very vast or very big network that connect different things or different peoples, different businesses, different governments, different academics to each other. Okay, so therefore internet is called network of networks. There are many networks that are connected to a single network, okay, to the main network. So a network of many networks is the internet. Okay, the internet is the network of the interconnected computers. There are many computers that are connected to a single main computer, okay, through wires, or we can say through wireless connection. Now I am connected to you through internet, but there is no wire connected between us, so we are having a wireless connection. It connects millions of computers and share the information, news, and ideas, opinions. Okay, so what is the history of internet? Means who invented it, from where we got it. In 1960, to share information on the research and development field in science and technologies. Okay, in 1960, when scientists have to share the information, the Department of Defense of United States, Department of Defense in United States set up a network. They set up a network that was known as ARPANET. ARPANET means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Okay, then it evolved, means many new changes come along it. Okay, then later the universities join these networks to share the resources. Big universities share these resources, and then it is known as internet. Presently it is known as internet. ARPANET was developed in 1969 finally, means it was started in 1960s, but finally it was developed in 1969. Now what are the uses of internet? Internet is used for many purposes. Some are for education, means to get the study material, knowledge, we use internet. For conversation, we can communicate to the people sitting in one part of the world. Okay, we can send emails to anybody. For entertainment, we can watch movies, listen music, play games. Information, we can access any type of information with the help of search engines, like google.com is a search engine. Job search, employers and the job seekers who are just searching the jobs, they can search a plenty of jobs on the internet. Services, many services are provided, like net banking, purchasing, online shopping, watching movies. There are many services which are provided by the internet. Okay, thank you. In next part I'll be just discussing about how to connect the internet.